I just bought some kale the other day from Publix, and it was 99 cents for a huge bunch.
Yep.
You know what I mean? And sweet potato costs 38 cents for one. You know what I mean? A bag of onions costs maybe $2.
You're telling me, if you go to a supermarket with $5, you might can feed 3 or 4 people.
At the end of the day, it comes down to choices. And we make the choices just like why we're here today. So we make the choices of whether we want to eat junk food, be weighted down and sick, or we make the choice of whether we want to eat healthy and live.
You know that health is wealth and ital is vital. They're not just some rhyming words. It's something that's just got to be heard. Who is responsible for your health? Look in the mirror, it's your very own self. You can't rely on nobody else. Health is wealth, ital is vital. Try and take care of yourself. Health is wealth, ital is vital. You can't rely on nobody else. Health is wealth, ital is vital. Try and take care of yourself. Health is wealth, ital is vital. You can't rely on nobody else. Tracking with the herb at the field for the healing of the nation. Fruit and vegetable for medication. So much food, so much variation. Sustenance for all generation. It's there in abundance. Vitamins and minerals and whole heap of nutrients. Anti-inflammatory.
But I eat right, and I know that because that's what has kept me. Because I eat right and I watch my sugar intake. People don't realize, understand how bad sugars are for you, and they don't understand how bad like some of this stuff that's even in some of the meats, like the chicken. If it's swollen, looking crazy, I'm not about to eat it. And I really steam more towards like chicken breast than I do eat chicken because it's so much stuff in this bone-in chicken. It's ridiculous. It's so much because they want to get it swollen quick. They want to get it growing fast so they can go ahead and sell it. And they're not thinking about the nutrition part.
Even down to the way that I grow collard greens. You know, most folks go to the store and they see those big collard greens. They've used an excess amount of nitrogen to make them grow fast.
Wow.
And a lot of times, you know, collard greens and all that make you, the way anything green is a detox anyway. It makes you go to the bathroom because you want to get rid of the toxins. But you know, some folks, you know, make greens and it upsets their stomach.
Right.
It's the nitrogen that was used to make it grow big.
Right. And then you run into so many people that do take a lot of medications and they don't drink water.
Right.
Like I'm like, where's your water intake? Like it's crazy. And then all that medicine build up, and then it causes your kidneys to fail, and it causes you to get even sicker, and they wonder, well, what's going on with me? Why are my feet swollen? That's salt. Everything I use over here is like salt free. Everything is salt free.
Great.
And it's good. I'm gonna let you taste it. I'm gonna let you taste something.
Health is wealth, ital is vital. Try and take care of yourself.